close. We're getting so close. Yeah. This is gonna be a nice long 3-hour video. Or 4 hours looks like. Oh look, now we're at the Houston airport. Alright, now we're at the Houston airport. Ooh, now it's on. We landed. It's on land now.
First to welcome you to Houston, where the local time is 8:10 p.m. We hope you enjoy your time in Houston or wherever your travels take you. And if this is home, welcome home.
You gotta turn it on.
At this time, we ask that you please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets at this time.
Oh yes, it ain't gonna be backwards. I thought it was, but
don't forget to check your seat back
it's just backwards when you're recording.
To make sure you have all of your belongings. And be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. From all of us at United and our Star Alliance partners, we've enjoyed having you as our guest today in the friendly skies. And we hope to see you again soon on another United flight.
Now we're
Once
on
the
land.
fasten seatbelt sign is turned off,
Look at that
please stand clear of the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Have a wonderful day and safe travels.
Right. Now we can get off our plane. Now we can get off the airplane and go into the Houston airport. I love the window seat. The windows close. Well, you know what? I'm gonna just open it and I'm gonna just open the window and close it when we get off. Look, we got some light. It's about to be nighttime. Oh, you watching Netflix on your phone? Oh yeah, I can do that too. Just watch Netflix on my phone.